It's Indiana stand, but we're in Michigan. I'm in Pentwater, Michigan. I came up here to salmon fish. So I'm out here just outside of Pentwater, probably about 2 miles offshore. And let's see, I'm in the Hobie Tandem Island. The weather's absolutely beautiful. I got 3 poles going. I got an Akuma convector with blood run wire on it, and well, I think it's a 9-foot rod. I just bought it at Captain Chuck's, but it has stainless steel guides, 1,000 feet of blood run wire, line counter. It's a dipsy diver rig. And then out the back, if you can see behind me, I have a level wind reel with, I think I got 8 colors of lead core for trolling on there. And then over here, I kind of had to work out my fishing budget. So I'm using an old saltwater reel that I got when I used to do some fishing in Florida around Venice. And I just put braid on it, and it's a dipsy diver rig too. So that'll get replaced next year. Those dipsy diver rigs are expensive. It's about $200. So I couldn't buy 2 of them, so I'm gonna roll with what I got. I just bought $15 worth of braid on that one, and it seems to be doing okay. I haven't caught anything yet. But you know what, who cares? Out in the middle of Lake Michigan, there's 2 to 3 foot swells right now, and the Hobie is like handling it like a champ. I have the sail furled. I'm trying to achieve between 2 and 2.5 miles an hour for trolling speeds. I'm running Dreamweaver tackle, rotators, flies. I got a meat rig off the middle, and there's flasher fly combos on either side. So, but anyways, I'm a little far out. I think I'm about to head closer to shore. There might be some fish. I'm not really marking anything. I'm in 107 foot of water right now. I'm really not marking that many fish, so I'm gonna head that way. From what I understand, the fish kind of stage up for the run up the in the Pentwater Lake, you know, the salmon and everything, and then the steelheads that kind of linger around to eat the salmon eggs. So anyways, I'm kind of in the middle of a turn right now. I'm gonna head back towards shore and see if I can mark some more fish out there. I'm gonna leave the camera run for a minute, just so you can get an idea of the conditions. Yeah, having a good time. You know, even if I don't catch any fish, you know, this is nice. This is the biggest water I've had this boat out on yet, and it's a beautiful day. It's like, it's a little chilly. It's about 65 degrees out, but not a cloud in the sky. Well, there are some clouds, I lied. But yeah, it's good. And I'll leave you with some video. Yeah, and like I said, I'm trying to achieve somewhere between 2 and 2.5 mile an hour trolling speed for this tackle I'm using. I'll probably pull it in here in the next, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. I'm going to drink another beer first, and I'm just going to check it, make sure it's all running good still. And but yeah, I'm running dipsy divers on each side, and then lead core down the middle. And hopefully I get some fish. I hope so. But it's been a blast so far. Pentwater, Michigan is an absolutely beautiful town. I would recommend coming here to anybody. I'm staying at Mirage State Park, and it's just right on the beach. It's a nice place. I'd definitely come back again. It's Angelo. Bam! Alright, so on the spinner rod, I'm running like 30-pound test braid with mono backer. I'm running a clear dipsy diver, and it's set to run, it's on setting number 1 to run on the right side of the boat. And I don't know, about 6 feet behind that, I'm running a Dreamweaver Kyle's Girlfriend flasher and a blue dolphin fly back there. So anyways, I'm just kind of checking my tackle, make sure it's all running okay, and I'm about to run it back out. Let's see, I'm in 100 foot of water. I'm trying to run these, I don't know, 60 feet, 40, 50, 60 feet. I don't even know. I'm not even marking fish. I'm just trying to get closer to the pier. And so, anyways, I got this in, and I'm going to run it out 60 feet with the diver. Six, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, that's, I guess, approximately 60 feet. I don't have, it's not a line counter, so I just kind of winging it. We'll see how that works out. So I've got that one set. I'm going to go back here and see what the lead core is doing. like we're doing 2.5 miles an hour. It's good. Let me pull this in and see where we're at. And here it comes. We're about there. I think I got way too much leader on this one. Okay, here's the meat rig. I got this flasher on here. I can't remember what it's called, but it's like a blue dolphin sparkle or some weird name like that. But then you got these, on the back of it, you got what, 1, 2, 3 flies, and then the meat rig. That's a piece of ballyhoo, toothpicked into that, and it looks like it was running okay, so I'm gonna let it back out. Looks like it's running okay, so I'm gonna release the drag and let that back out. .7 mile an hour, I like that. A little fast, but whatever. One. Second color. Third color. Fourth color. Fifth color. Six. Seven. Eight. I'm gonna stop about there. So that's about 40-45 foot down. Oh, there goes my phone. All right, that's a better speed. We were going about 3.5. Now we're going 2.5. That's right where we want to be for these baits. All right, on the Okuma we got what, 73 foot of line out. We'll reel this one in. Alright. On this one, same thing, clear Dipsy Diver, number 1 size. This is like a double pearl glow Dreamweaver flasher. And then I think this is like a, what was this, blue dolphin or, oh, I don't know. But another flasher fly combo. We'll see. Hopefully I catch some fish. I don't know. Lake Michigan, so beautiful. The water's so clear. You can just see the sun shining down through it. It's beautiful. I got off course a little bit. Oh, we got a roller. Wait until my lines get straightened out a little bit. Oh, I gotta reset my Dipsy. Alright, there's 70 foot out. I'm gonna roll with that. Alright, cool. Now we wait.
Waiting for Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth connected.
Alright, well here's the news. I just got spooled. As you can see, I got my wet weather gear on. It got a little cold. We got white caps now. It's getting rough, it's getting windy. And while I was putting my bibs on, a fish hit. I couldn't get to it. And it spooled my rod. Check it out. Not a bit of line left on it. I just couldn't get to it. I had both feet in the bib trying to get them up over my shoulders because it's gotten a lot rougher here in the past, I don't know, 30 minutes or whatever. So I decided to get my wet weather gear on, and yeah, at the absolute worst time ever, I got hit by a fish and it spooled my rod. So anyways, that's where we're at. It's getting rough out here. I don't know if it gets much rougher. I might try again tomorrow or whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some video of what's going on up here right now. I have the sail reefed in. We're still at trolling speed or whatnot, but yeah, it's fun. Well, hey, it got pretty rough out here. After getting spooled and losing some tackle and getting pretty hungry, I'm ready to get back and eat some food and take a break. As you can see, it's rough out here, but I'll shoot some video. I'm going to open up the sail all the way and smoke back as fast as I can to the beach. But anyways, I'm going to give it a shot again tomorrow. Talk to you later. Oh yeah. Surfing.